Hello, good morning, friends. This is Master Links in the kitchen fixing some chicken. It will be curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken. I have my onions, I have garlics, and I already put a little secret seasoning, which is some Jamaican spices, onto the chicken. So all I'll be doing now is gonna crush my garlic, cut it up, put it into the chicken, marinate it. Then I'll be putting on a pan with oil heated so I can process the garlic, saute it into the hot oil. Garlic, onions, and the curry, because the curry needs to cook. So I'll be using some Jamaican curry, which is called, just trying to find my curry because all my spices are disarray because of the way my wife packs the cover. So I'll be looking for my curry.